Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to withdraw money from Chime Credit Builder card. So according to this article from Chime Help Center, you can withdraw money from an ATM with your Credit Builder card. Your secured Credit Builder card has an ATM withdrawal limit of $1,015 per day. If your Credit Builder available to spend is less than $1,500, you can withdraw up to that amount from ATMs. Credit Builder ATM withdrawals do not affect the withdrawal limits on your debit card. So if you want to view your spending and withdrawal limits in your Chime app, then you need to go to the settings and then you need to tap on account info. After that, you need to tap on view limits and there you will be able to see the withdrawal limit of your Chime Credit Builder card, and you can withdraw up to that amount of money from the ATM. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.